So I wanted to talk briefly about something I did this past fall that I have to say is paying dividends in terms of comfort in my house, and I'm sure energy costs. These windows here are all Pella windows. And the problem I had was at the base of every one of them, they were rotted out, the original windows that were in here. Just over about a 20-year period of time, water had sat on the sill and had wicked its way up and caused the bottoms of these to rot out so bad that you couldn't even open the window without potentially the whole window just kind of falling apart and maybe dropping on the ground. So I contacted Pella and was able to give them a number off the original windows, and they were able to make me some replacement ones, and I was able to go in and replace them. I didn't have to pull out the entire frame, just the window itself, and the cost was roughly about $500 per window, so it was pretty pricey. There's 6 windows here, so you can imagine. But I was able to install each window in about 20 to 30 minutes, so it was actually quite easy to do. The only issue was that the windows came unpainted, so I had to, on the inside it's wood, so I had to prime and paint them before installing them. That took a little bit of time. But the windows themselves, to actually install them, maybe 20-30 minutes each, so easy to do. So this past fall and winter, so far it's been extremely more comfortable in this family room. No more drafts. During the fall, when the weather was a little bit warmer, I was able to open the windows again and take in the fresh air, the nice warm fall days that we were having. So very, very good and very pleased that I wound up breaking down, spending the money to replace these windows and have them working properly. So anyways, if you have a similar situation with windows that are kind of old and rotting, contact the manufacturer. You can usually find the manufacturing code on the bottom of the window. Just write that number down, contact the factory, and they usually can come up with some replacement windows for you within anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, which took us close to about 4 or 5 weeks to get these windows in. Anyways, hope that might be of use to you. If it is, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.